Is it time to buy or sell MGO Global Common Stock? In this video, we will explore MGO Global Common Stock in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 14th of February, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since February 13, 2025, our system has classified MGO Global Common Stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has underperformed relative to our predictions, with a loss of 15.08%. This results in an average daily loss of 7.54% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock currently resides at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 80 cents would first indicate a slower rate of decline, but could also signal the initial signs of a trend shift. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of approximately 76.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a complete loss to a decline of 73.96%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 26.70% over the next year, with a possible return between a decline of 69.78% and a gain of 1,112.42%. This translates to a price range between 217 thousandths of a dollar and $8.70 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for MGO Global Common Stock includes the headline, High Volatility in MGO Global Inc. Common Stock Price on Friday, which ended trading at 0.718. The MGO Global Inc. Common Stock Price fell by 15.08% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 14th of February 2025, from 0.885 to 0.718. During that day, the stock fluctuated 87.74%, with a low of 0.671 and a high of 1.26. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 498.5% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, indicating that volume should follow the stock. On that day, trading volume fell by 346 million shares, with a total of 381 million shares exchanged for approximately 273.3 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was 6.99 and the lowest was 0.1. Currently, the price is 89.73%, or 6.27, below the 52-week high, and 95.68%, or 15.89, below the all-time high, which occurred on the 13th of January, 2023, when the price reached 16.61. MGO Global Incorporated has reached a significant milestone as its stockholders have approved the business combination with Heidmar, a global leader in commercial and pool management for the tanker market. This decision, confirmed today, marks a promising step towards expanding MGO Global's operational capabilities and market presence. The approval follows the Securities and Exchange Commission's acceptance of the registration statement for this transaction, further facilitating the merger. In the short term, this news may boost investor confidence, potentially leading to an uptick in MGO Global's stock price. Market players often view successful approvals for business combinations as positive indicators for future growth. Moreover, MGO Global will strategically benefit from Heidmar's asset-light business model, which could enhance profit margins and operational efficiency. Long-term impacts are also favorable, as this merger positions MGO Global to diversify its offerings and stabilize its revenue streams amid fluctuating market conditions. By integrating Heidmar's resources and expertise, MGO Global may capture a larger share of the global tanker market, potentially driving sustained growth and returns for its investors. As these developments unfold, the company's trajectory will be closely monitored, focusing on how it effectively integrates Heidmar into its operations and the subsequent financial performance. Analysts have assigned MGO Global Common Stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MGO Global Common Stock. MGO Global Inc. Common stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be support from the levels at 561 cents and 460 cents. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, with the stock experiencing a decline of 15.08% thus far. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. On the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 40 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 70 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MGO Global. Common stock, MGO Global Inc. Common stock finds support from accumulated volume at 0.695, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizing it as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated between 0.589 for its high and low, reflecting a movement of 87.74%. In the past week, the average daily volatility has been 51.25%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for MGO Global Common Stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 7th of April, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MGO Global Common Stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MGO Global Common Stock is at 85 cents. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MGO Global Common Stock faces its first support level at 69.5 cents. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MGO Global Common Stock from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of January, 2025, Ogita Maximiliano conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Hilfiger Virginia conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Perez Dana Eschenberg conducted an insider purchase of 3,000 shares of common stock. On the 7th of January 2025, Groves Julian conducted an insider purchase of 15,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Lerner Jeffrey conducted an insider purchase of 1,100 shares of common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 45.152. In total, insiders acquired 4,913,882 shares and sold 2,680,409 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.677, reflecting a decrease of 5.72%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which significantly increases the risk involved. There is currently a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is MGO Global common stock a good investment? MGO Global Incorporated common stock displays several positive indicators, yet we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may choose to hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment for this stock from a buy recommendation to a hold or accumulate status since the last evaluation. Upon assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 18th of February, we anticipate that MGO Global common stock will open at 165/100ths of a dollar and begin trading at 88 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.